guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So like you can probably already tell by the title of the video, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a few suit sets that I got from Meesho for Diwali. So they are all under 1,000 rupees, so they are pretty affordable for being suit sets that come in a combo of like the kurta, the pant and the dupatta, and they are all very comfortable. They are pretty airy and breathy, not something uncomfortable. They are very festive appropriate, but these are suits you can also wear like for parties and other festivities, like not something that big. You can tone them down as well with, if you like tone down the accessories and the makeup, you can tone down these clothes as well. So if you guys are interested, let's get into the video. But again, before we do that, I have to remind you guys to subscribe to my channel if you like my videos in general, and if you guys like this particular video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So let's get into the video now.
Starting off with this emerald green anarkali set. It's got a cami sleeve. Sleeves के straps adjustable नहीं है. Sleeves में और neck area में there's this golden gota work which makes the anarkali look very pretty. Other than that, the anarkali is totally solid, and so is the pant. The green color is so beautiful. I did not have anything in this color like Indian wear, so I really wanted to get this one. I got it in the size medium and it fits me perfectly. I actually had my exams and I did not have any time to work out, so I have gained a little bit of weight, but it still fits me right. Like, it's not snug on my body or anything, it fits me a bit loose, but I like my Indian wear to fit me that way. So normally I should have probably gone for a size small if I wanted to fit it snug and right on my body. But when I ordered it for the size that I actually was. So you might want to size down one size if you want it to fit you right. अनारकली के नीचे और पैंट में दोनों में एक गोटा पट्टी का लाइन है, like you can see just one stripe, and that adds so much to the set. पैंट एक कुर्ता और पैंट 100% कॉटन का बना हुआ है, so it's very comfortable, and for the price it's really good. It's not itchy or uncomfortable at all, ना ही आप इसमें ज़्यादा स्वेट करोगे. प्लाजो पैंट है, and the दुपट्टा is made up of chiffon material. दुपट्टा के चारों ओर भी गोल्डन गोटा का काम है, और ये एक फ्लोरल प्रिंट दुपट्टा है which is so beautiful. I absolutely adore the दुपट्टा. Next up is this lilac straight kurta set. इसके sleeves tie up sleeves हैं, so you can adjust them as and how you want it to. Sleeves cami sleeves हैं और उनके end में गोटा का काम है. Other than that, both the kurti and the pant is solid lilac. कुर्ती के नीचे भी गोटा का काम है और पैंट के नीचे भी गोटा का काम है. The set is made up of 100% cotton, so it's extremely comfortable. दुपट्टा polyester material का बना हुआ है. It is kind of a bit uncomfortable. It's really thick, so it might just be a little uncomfortable during the summer season. दुपट्टा में भी गोटा का काम है चारों sides में, but I'm really not a big fan of the दुपट्टा. ये एक solid purple दुपट्टा है. The kurta and the pant being solid, I wish कि दुपट्टा में कुछ काम होता, maybe some print or some work, but basically the set is not worth the price, I would say, for how it looks. Pant एक straight pant है, it's a cigarette pant. पर अगर आपको एक sleeveless straight कुर्ता सेट चाहिए lilac में, this is really good. It's made up of cotton. You can just pair it with some lilac or purple floral dupatta or something and it'll look really good. Next up is another anarkali set. ये एक red color में है. I really want to get something in red every year. I love the color red when it comes to traditional clothes. इसका V-neck बहुत ही cute है और इसके पीछे एक tie-up भी है, which if you tie too tight, इसका V-neck एक kind of circular हो जाता है, so you'll have to tie it just right. अनारकली और पैंट कॉटन का बना हुआ है, whilst the दुपट्टा is made up of chiffon. इसका जो chiffon material है, it's very kind of flimsy material. It's not very sturdy, strong. इसका दुपट्टा का मटेरियल बहुत ही चीप लगता है देखने में. इट डजंट लुक लाइक दैट इन द कैमरा, पर अगर आप इसको टच करोगे तो समझ में आएगा. स्लीव्स के एंड में और नेक में हल्का सा गोटा का काम है. अदर देन दैट इट्स एंटायरली सॉलिड. दुपट्टा के चारों ओर भी एक गोटा का रिबन है just that one layer. दुपट्टा में हल्का सा टाई डाई प्रिंट है and the color pink that the dupatta is of is super cute. अगर इसका मटेरियल थोड़ा बेहतर होता I would have really loved the entire set. क्योंकि ये कॉटन का बना हुआ है, ये बहुत ही comfortable है. It's not itchy at all. ना ही इसमें आप ज़्यादा sweat करोगे. Also look at how beautiful the anarkali look. इसके पीछे का जो tie up है, the latkan thingy, that looks very pretty as well. For the price, it's really good. Next up is another anarkali. I really liked a lot of anarkalis from Meesho this time. This one is in lilac again. I really like the color lilac as well. इसका जो anarkali और pant है दोनों solid में है और दुपट्टा एक floral दुपट्टा है. The anarkali and the pant is made up of polyester whilst the dupatta is made up of chiffon. ये anarkali for the way it looks is kind of cheap and it feels cheap as well. ये देख के तो cheap नहीं लगता है but when you touch it and you wear it, you feel it. It is pretty cheap. The clothing material of the anarkali and the pant is not very comfortable. You might just feel very sweaty in it. और दुपट्टा का मटेरियल भी काफ़ी cheap लगता है. It doesn't look really pretty. इसमें जो प्रिंट है वो भी काफ़ी स्कार्स है, बहुत दूर दूर थोड़े थोड़े फ्लावर्स प्रिंटेड है. दुपट्टा के चारों ओर सिल्वर गोटा है. अनारकली के वी नेक में और एंड में भी वही सेम गोटा है. इस अनारकली के पीछे भी एक लटकन है और इसके जो लटकन है दैट रियली एड्स अ लॉट टू दिस सेट. दीज टाई अप्स लुक रियली प्रिटी. There are like 2 tassels on each side, so like 4 in total. If you're planning to wear this during the summer season, then I'd ask you not to get it because it's not the most comfortable and you can get this one in cotton. You'll just have to look a little harder. इसका जो पैंट है वो एक cigarette पैंट है. It's completely solid and has nothing in it. But for the price and how it looks, it's really good. It actually looks very beautiful. Last but not the least is this floral print anarkali set. It looks super gorgeous. To be very honest, it looks nothing like the one that's shown in this site. Site में जो है अनारकली उसका घेर ही अलग टाइप का है. I mean, it's so ब्रॉड इसका जो अनारकली का जो स्कर्ट पार्ट है वो बहुत ही लेयर्ड दिखा रहा है पिक्चर में. बट द वन दैट आई रिसीव्ड इज प्रिटी सिंपल बट द कलर एंड द प्रिंट इन इट इज द सेम एंड द क्वालिटी ऑफ द क्लॉथ लुक्स प्रिटी सिमिलर एज वेल. इसके फ्लावर्स पिंक और ऑरेंज में है एंड आई रियली लव द कलर स्कीम इन दिस. जो अनारकली और दुपट्टा है दोनों में सेम प्रिंट है. द अनारकली एंड द दुपट्टा आर बोथ मेड अप ऑफ शिफॉन मटेरियल. अनारकली में शिफॉन वाला फ्लोरल प्रिंट का जो क्लोथिंग लेयर है उसके नीचे एक और लेयर है एंड द लेयर अंडर इट इज a white clothing layer and that one is made up of polyester but it's pretty comfortable, not itchy at all. और इसका जो पैंट है ये सिगरेट पैंट से थोड़ा वाइड है और प्लाजो से थोड़ा नैरो. It's solid white and made up of polyester. Again very comfortable but since neither of them are made up of cotton इनमें आप थोड़ा सा sweat करोगे. Again it's very bright and shiny. It's really good for the festive season and for the price it looks very nice as well but it's not what's shown in the picture. But come on, we all know Meesho makes dupes, right?
So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and benefited from it. Let me know which of these you like the most, if any you're gonna get, and if any you already have, and if you have any other content suggestion, anything you want me to make, let me know in the comment section below and I'll definitely do that. So I'll see you guys in my next. Till then, take care. Bye bye.